So friends, iPhone 17 series is expected to launch in September and it is rumored to include 4 models: iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air and iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max. The phones are likely to come with iOS 19, which Apple will showcase at the upcoming Worldwide Developer Conference in June. Recently, a leaked video had suggested the design changes expected to come to iOS 19. As per the video, iOS 19 is set to bring a new camera feature exclusive to the iPhone 17 Pro model. In a video posted on the front page Tech YouTube channel, tipster John Prosser offers a detailed look at Apple's upcoming iOS 19 update. Apart from talking about the design changes in iOS 19, the YouTuber states that a new camera app is coming to the iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max with some updates. The new functionality will allow users to record video from the rear camera and front-facing camera at the same time, and this rumored dual video recording feature is likely to benefit content creators. However, Samsung debuted this feature back in 2013 in its Galaxy S4 and it has been available in several Android phones. iOS 19's new design is said to be inspired by Apple's Vision OS. The upcoming iPhone operating system could include rounded icons and new animations resembling the dynamic island animation and a redesigned tab view. Apple is expected to preview iOS 19 in June during its annual WWDC, which is set to kick off on June 9 with free attendance for the developers. The event will conclude on June 13, and besides iOS 19, Apple is also expected to tease next generation software updates for iPad, Mac, Apple Watch and Apple TV and the Vision Pro. The company could release the iOS 19 stable update in September with the launch of the iPhone 17 series. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.